Let's get you the latest updates coming in on the Hooch tragedy in Tamil Nadu that's claimed over 45 lives. AIADMK MLAs now, in fact, protesting over the Hooch tragedy, demanding answers from the DMK government. The Tamil Nadu Assembly is in session and there's been a showdown in the Assembly as well as protests outside. AIADMK MLAs have all appeared in Assembly wearing black clothes, wearing a black shirt in the Assembly. And there were protests outside as well, images of which you see on the right of your screens as police immediately cleared out the area. The death toll in this tragedy, which struck Tamil Nadu's Kallakurichi, is now at 47. 118 people are being treated in various hospitals. 30 patients at this point remain critical. And so there's a concern that the death toll could only climb up further. An unprecedented tragedy that struck Tamil Nadu right now. 47 dead, over 100 hospitalized as a result of illicit liquor being consumed. This was being distributed out in full public view in the heart of a town like Kallakurichi, and that's what's led to so much anger right now against this Stalin government. These are images on the left of your screens of protests outside, and on the right from inside the Assembly, where the AIADMK is demanding answers from the government. So these are the images on your screens right now from, in fact, from Chennai, where the Tamil Nadu Assembly is in session. You've got protests outside as well as inside the Assembly. Shilpa Nair joining us live from Chennai with more details on this. Shilpa, an all-out showdown there. You can see AIADMK MLAs dressed in full black protesting against the Stalin government. Take us through what's happening.
Well, yes, in fact, the opposition parties, especially the AIADMK, is mounting a lot of pressure on the DMK government over the Kallakurichi tragedy. The death toll is around 49. That's the latest official death toll that is mentioned by the district collector in Kallakurichi. And the minute in Kallakurichi, and the minute the session began inside the Assembly, the AIADMK MLAs started creating ruckus. They started shouting and sloganeering. In fact, they also brought papers which had "Resign Stalin" written on it, and they flashed this particular paper in front of the speaker inside the Assembly. And as a result, the speaker ordered that all the AIADMK MLAs, all the opposition MLAs be evicted. And we saw dramatic scenes unfolding here outside the Tamil Nadu Assembly, where the Deputy Opposition Leader R.B. Udayakumar was sitting outside the Assembly premises as a form of protest, and he was forcibly evicted by the police. And now, of course, what you see there are visuals of Edappadi K. Palliswamy, the AIADMK General Secretary and the Tamil Nadu Opposition Leader, flanked by all the AIADMK MLAs, speaking to the media, mounting pressure on the DMK government, saying that accountability needs to be fixed. He, of course, is accusing the DMK government of completely failing to curb the sale and production of illicit liquor. He says there was a lot of mishandling of the situation. The district collector of Kallakurichi initially had given out false statements saying that people did not die because of illicit liquor, and that led to more deaths because many people, went to the hospital late for treatment because of that statement, is what he says. So he, of course, demands that M.K. Stalin, the Chief Minister, should take responsibility, because over 50 people, over 49 people have died so far in this horrific tragedy. And he says accountability must be fixed from the highest level, and the Chief Minister should take responsibility and resign. And if I can just show you the visuals outside the Assembly, the kind of police force that have been brought in here, because the opposition MLAs are expected to stage a protest. They are expected to stage a road roko. So for that reason, inside the Assembly premises, look at the number of police officials who have been deployed to ensure that the situation remains under control. Because the AIADMK MLAs, of course, were evicted from the House by the Speaker today, they cannot attend the proceedings today for the rest of the day. But the AIADMK MLAs say, Edappadi K. Palliswamy, the opposition leader, says it is the responsibility of the opposition to highlight the lapses, the manner in which the DMK government carelessly handled the situation, and we were not allowed to do so. We wanted to do a discussion, but we were not allowed to have that discussion, is what EPS, of course, has been alleging. And that is the reason why they protested inside the House. The Speaker denied them permission to speak, and that's why they were forcefully evicted. And now, of course, he's meeting the press, and after which we are expecting them to stage a road roko. And AIADMK also, as a party, has announced for a statewide protest on June 24th at all district headquarters. There will be
a protest against the DMK government, because they say the DMK government has failed to curb the sale of illicit liquor. So clearly the ADMK, the BJP, everyone at this point in time cornering the DMK government. And on the side of the Tamil Nadu government, of course, the government has said we have transferred the district collector, we have suspended the district SP and several other police officials who belong to the prohibition enforcement wing. And apart from that, 4 people have been arrested in connection with the Kalakurchi Hooch tragedy.
Maintaining that all necessary steps have been taken. The AIADMK upping the ante, saying nearly 50 people have died, and there must be accountability on the part of the government. Thanks, Shilpa, for joining us with those details. As protests mount, we'll track the latest on the story.